Remember back in the day, Bitcoin was this weird, obscure thing only tech nerds talked about. Now, it's worth over $100,000 a pop. That's more than a Tesla. This insane surge has everyone and their grandma asking, what the hell is cryptocurrency? Is this the future of money or just another tulip craze? Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the wild world of crypto. We're talking about a new kind of money, one that exists entirely online. No banks, no governments, just pure digital cash. Sound like something out of the Matrix? Well, it's about as close as we've gotten. So if you're tired of your bank treating you like a number or just curious about this whole crypto craze, stick around. We're breaking down everything you need to know from Bitcoin to blockchain and everything in between. Welcome to CryptoWini, your ultimate destination for all things cryptocurrency and finance. Here we simplify complex crypto concepts, uncover the latest trends, and explore how blockchain technology is reshaping the world. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner, we've got you covered with insightful content designed just for you. If you want to explore more about cryptocurrency, visit our blog at cryptowini.com. The link is in the description. And if you really love staying ahead in the world of crypto and finance, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join the CryptoWini community today and never miss an update. Cryptocurrency. It sounds like something out of a William Gibson novel, but it's quickly becoming as real as the money in your pocket. So, what is it? In the simplest terms, it's digital money. Think of it like a digital token you can use to buy things online. But here's where it gets interesting. Cryptocurrency isn't controlled by any government or financial institution. It's completely decentralized. This means no more banks breathing down your neck, no more hidden fees, and no more worrying about your money being manipulated by some shadowy organization. It's just you, your digital wallet, and the open market. Cryptocurrency transactions are also incredibly secure, thanks to something called cryptography. This basically means your transactions are encrypted and virtually impossible to hack. We've talked about cryptocurrency, but what makes it all possible? The answer is blockchain, the technological backbone of the entire crypto ecosystem. Imagine a giant digital ledger that keeps track of every single cryptocurrency transaction ever made. That's blockchain in a nutshell. Except, this ledger isn't stored in one place. It's copied and distributed across a network of computers all over the world. This means it's virtually impossible to hack or manipulate. To change one part of the blockchain, you'd have to hack into every single computer on the network simultaneously. Good luck with that. This decentralized, tamper-proof nature is what makes blockchain so revolutionary. It's not just about money, it has the potential to revolutionize everything from voting systems to supply chain management. Why invest in cryptocurrency? Exploring the potential. So why are people throwing their hard-earned cash, or should we say crypto, at this newfangled digital currency? It's a question that has intrigued many, and for good reason. Well, there are a few compelling reasons that make cryptocurrency an attractive investment. First, there's the potential for massive returns. Just look at Bitcoin. Its meteoric rise has turned early investors into millionaires. If you had invested a few $100 back in 2010, you'd be laughing all the way to the bank right now. The growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. Second, cryptocurrency is a hedge against inflation. In a world where traditional currencies can lose value due to overprinting, crypto stands out. Unlike traditional currencies, which are constantly being printed and devalued, most cryptocurrencies have a limited supply. This scarcity can drive up value. This means they have the potential to hold their value or even increase in value over time. It's a safeguard against the erosion of wealth. Finally, cryptocurrency offers a level of financial freedom that's simply not possible with traditional banking systems. It's a game changer for many. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. This decentralization is a key feature. This makes it a powerful tool for people living in countries with unstable economies or limited access to traditional banking services. It opens up new possibilities for financial inclusion. The risks of riding the crypto wave. Before you cash in your 401k and go all in on Dogecoin, let's talk about the risks. Cryptocurrency can be incredibly enticing, especially with all the success stories floating around. But it's crucial to understand the potential pitfalls. Because, like any investment, cryptocurrency is not without its downsides. The allure of quick profits can often overshadow the inherent risks involved. First and foremost, it's incredibly volatile. The market can experience drastic changes in a matter of hours, if not minutes. The price of Bitcoin can swing wildly in a single day, sometimes by thousands of dollars. This unpredictability can lead to significant financial losses if you're not careful. This makes it a very risky investment, especially for those who are new to the game. Novice investors might find it challenging to navigate such a turbulent market. Second, the cryptocurrency market is still largely unregulated. Unlike traditional financial markets, there are fewer safeguards in place to protect investors. This means there's a higher risk of fraud and scams. Unscrupulous actors can take advantage of the lack of regulation to deceive unsuspecting investors. Finally, cryptocurrency is still a relatively new technology. While it holds great promise, it also comes with uncertainties. This means there's still a lot we don't know about it. The technology is evolving, and with it, the potential risks and rewards. It's possible that the entire market could crash and burn tomorrow. Such a scenario could wipe out investments overnight. So, while the potential rewards of investing in cryptocurrency are high, so are the risks. It's a high-stakes game that requires careful consideration. It's important to do your research, invest responsibly, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always approach cryptocurrency with a well-informed strategy and a clear understanding of the risks involved. The law and your money, legal and tax implications of cryptocurrency. As the world of digital currency continues to evolve, understanding the legal and tax landscape becomes increasingly crucial. Navigating the legal and tax implications of cryptocurrency can feel like trying to understand the plot of Tenet after a bottle of tequila. It's complicated. The complexity arises from the fact that cryptocurrency operates in a decentralized manner, which is a relatively new concept for traditional financial systems. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to regulate this new asset class, and the rules are constantly changing. This regulatory uncertainty can make it difficult for investors and traders to stay compliant. In the United States, the IRS considers cryptocurrency to be property, not currency. This classification has significant tax implications, as it means that every transaction involving cryptocurrency is potentially a taxable event. This means you'll need to pay capital gains taxes on any profits you make from buying and selling it. The rate of these taxes can vary depending on how long you've held the cryptocurrency and your overall income level. And don't even think about trying to dodge your tax obligations. The IRS has sophisticated tools and methods to track cryptocurrency transactions, and they are becoming increasingly vigilant. The IRS is cracking down on cryptocurrency tax evasion, and the penalties can be severe. Failing to report your cryptocurrency transactions accurately can result in hefty fines and even criminal charges. So before you start trading Bitcoin like it's going out of style, make sure you understand the legal and tax implications in your jurisdiction. Different countries have different rules, and staying informed is key to avoiding legal trouble. Consult with a qualified tax professional to ensure you're playing by the rules. They can provide personalized advice and help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency taxation, ensuring you stay compliant and avoid any unpleasant surprises. Buckle up, navigating the crypto frontier. The world of cryptocurrency is a wild, fast-paced, and often confusing place. It's a roller coaster ride full of dizzying highs and stomach-churning lows. But it's also an incredibly exciting space, full of innovation and potential. So what's the verdict? Is cryptocurrency the future of money? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, it's not going away anytime soon. So buckle up, do your research, invest responsibly, and enjoy the ride. The future of finance is here, and it's digital. Remember, the future of finance is happening now, and at CryptoWini, we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who are passionate about crypto. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest insights. And for even more crypto knowledge, check out our blog at cryptowini.com. The link is in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.